How to add text box in Canva Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about step by step. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So let me open the docs here. Let me go and create here my docs. So let me take a blank docs page. So this is my blank docs page. So here you can see at your left side there is a no any option to text. So indirectly on docs we not able to add the text box because there is no any option. You can add the simply text like this. Okay, if you want to add text box, there's a one way. Okay, just keep the cursor where you want text box, or just keep the cursor at top. Go to this plus sign. After that you search for design. Go to the design, then a pop-up window will be open, and here you can add the text box. Go to the text, add the text box, write your text. Okay, select that text box. You can change the that text style. You can increase the text size. Okay, you can also change the color of fonts. Here you can make it Italian, bold, whatever. You can make the underlined. Here you can see you can change the alignment. Here you can make the bullet point. Here you can increase decrease the transparency. Here you can also give the some effects if you want. You can also go to the animation effects and position. Okay, or you can simply increase the size like this. Just hit the text box, click on this dot and drag it, hold it, drag it. So after done, go to the save. Now this is your text box. You can simply minimize, maximize the size like this. Okay, or you can make the border from here. You can make the corner border. Here you can change the elements, alignments. Here the settings, and here the you can go also again in edit. Okay, and the change, you can make change, and after change go to the save. The text box will be insert. Let me again design here. Design, save. So basically you have to keep the cursor, this cursor you have to keep the place where you want to insert that text box. Okay, so that is how you can insert the text box in Google Canva Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.